According to the most current long-term prediction, Bitcoin SV prices will reach $50 by the middle of 2027 and $75 by the middle of 2033. Bitcoin SV price prediction for 2023 to 2024. Bitcoin SV prices started the year at 41.07, and as of today, they were trading at 35.86. This means that the price has dropped by 13% since the beginning of the year. The estimated Bitcoin SV price at the end of 2023 is 38.97, and the change from today to the end of the year is 5. The rise from today to the end of the year is 9%. In 2023, we expect to see 37.51 per Bitcoin SV, and in the first half of 2024, the price the guess for close to days and months from now June 15, $36.98, $1,537.63 were spent on July 15, August 15, 37.88, September 15. $38. The date was October 12, $15.38.36. Bitcoin SV thought that the next 5 years, from 2025 to 2029, would bring a rise in the price. The price of Bitcoin SV would go from $34.09 to $59.72, which is a 75% increase. Bitcoin SV will start 2025 at 34.09 cents, rise to 35.80 cents in the first half of the year, and end the year at 40.41 cents, which is an increase of 13.1% from today's price. Bitcoin SV thinks that from 2030 to 2034, the price of Bitcoin SV will rise from 59.72 to 86.78, which is a 45% increase. Bitcoin SV will start the year 2030 at $59.72, drop to $58.02 in the middle of the year, and end the year at 61.28, which is about 71% more than it is today. Bitcoin SV price prediction for 2023 to 2024. Bitcoin SV cost 41.07 cents at the beginning of 2023. Today, Bitcoin SV was traded for 36.68 cents, so the price dropped by 11. The expected Bitcoin SV price at the end of 2023 is 42.18, which is an increase of 3% from the beginning of the year and a 15% increase from today to the end of the year. In 2023, we expect the price of 1 Bitcoin SV to be 41.99. In the first half of 2024, the price of Bitcoin SV will. Bitcoin asked if a rise would happen in the 5 years from 2025 to 2029. The price of Bitcoin SV would go from $33.34 to $52.55, which is a 58% increase. Bitcoin SV will start 2025 at 33.34 cents, then drop to $31.20 in the first half of the year, and end the year at $32.94, which is a 10% increase from today. Bitcoin SV predicts that from 2030 to 2034, the price of Bitcoin SV will rise from 52.55 to 62.47, which is an increase of 19. Bitcoin SV will start the year 2030 at 52.55, then drop to 51.98 in the first half of the year, and end the year at 49.6 cents, which is an increase of 34.4% from today's value of 0.41.22.3. Bitcoin SV price prediction 2023 to 2024. Bitcoin SV cost 41.07 at the beginning of 2023. Today, Bitcoin SV traded for $36.17, so the price dropped by 12. The Guaj Bitcoin SV price at the end of 2023 is 41.99, which is an increase of 2% from the beginning of the year. The rise from today to the end of the year is 16. In 2023, we expect to see 41.80 per Bitcoin SV in the first part of 2024, and the price will drop to $36.05 in the last. Bitcoin SV thought that between 2025 and 2029, there would be a rise. The price of Bitcoin SV would go from $33.20 to $52.33, which is a 58% increase. Bitcoin SV will start 2025 at $33.20, drop to $31.07 in the first half of the year, and end 2025 at $32.80, which is 9% from where it is now. Bitcoin has to be expected from 2030 to 2034. During this time, the price of Bitcoin SV will rise from 52.33 to 62.21, which is an increase of 19%. Bitcoin SV will start the year at 52.33, then drop to 51.76 in the first half of the year, and end the year at 48.85, which is an increase of 35% from today's price of 0.315223. Bitcoin SV price prediction from 2023 to 2024. Bitcoin SV started 2023 Bitcoin SV prediction. From 2030 to 2034, the price of Bitcoin SV would rise from 63.16 to 100.13 cents, which is 59% more. Bitcoin SV will start the year at 63.16, then rise to 66.95 in the first half of the year, and end the year at $70.72. This is an increase of about 90% from today's price. 0.31.22.3 Bitcoin SV price prediction for 2023 to 2024. Bitcoin SV price started in 2023 at $41.07. Today, Bitcoin SV traded at $41.74, so the price grew by 2% from the start of the year. Statistics from Glassnode show that last month, the number of deals per day hit an all-time high of 682,000. This is more than 40% more than the previous record, which was set in 2017. Bitcoin's share of the $1.16 trillion cryptocurrency market has gone from 38% at the start of the year to 44% now. What is really going on? BRC-20 is the first type of crypto token created on the Bitcoin blockchain that isn't Bitcoin itself. About 25,000 of the trial coins have already been made this year. This has sent the number of transactions through the roof. Gordon Grant, co-head of dealing at Genesis Dealing, said, "BRC-20 tokens are something we've never seen before." According to data from blockchain.com, the average number of transactions per day over the past 7 days is more than 531,000. This is about twice as many as a month